In travel news for April 11th, 2024, we talk about Disney revising their disability access service in response to misuse. But before we begin, I'm Brandon with the Adept Traveler, an award-winning travel agency that makes travel so easy. Even a blind traveler like myself can do it. And now, today in travel. Disneyland in California and Walt Disney World in Florida are revising their disability access service rules, aiming to address the program's misuse while maintaining its intent to support visitors with disabilities. This comes amidst reports of increased program usage and congestion in attraction lines. As the most requested service at both parks, these changes are pivotal for guests needing accessibility accommodations. The Disability Access Service program, designed to assist guests who cannot tolerate long waits due to developmental disabilities, including autism, will see several modifications. These include adjustments to pre-arrival attraction selections, party size limitations, extended enrollment eligibility, and the need for current guests to reapply. The aim is to ensure that the service reaches its intended audience without compromising the experience for all park visitors. These changes are significant for travelers with disabilities, as the Disability Access Service is a critical component for their visit, providing a way to enjoy the park without the strain of conventional lines. By moving Disability Access Service enrollment to virtual platforms and extending the validity period, Disney seeks to make the registration process more accessible and the service more accommodating to families and groups traveling with a disability. This is a step towards enhancing accessible travel within the parks, ensuring all guests can experience the magic of Disney without unnecessary barriers. The transition to virtual registration for the Disability Access Service at Disney World and the shift of in-person registration locations at Disneyland are designed to streamline the process. With the validity of new Disability Access Service enrollments extended to 120 days, planning for travelers with disabilities becomes more flexible, allowing for a broader window to enjoy the park. This adjustment is crucial for disabled Disney World and Disneyland visitors, as it directly affects how they can manage their park visits within their travel schedules. Disney's adjustments to the Disability Access Service program underscores their dedication to providing an inclusive and accessible environment for all guests, especially those with disabilities. By clarifying eligibility and enhancing the registration process, Disney aims to ensure that every visitor, regardless of their disability, has an enjoyable and fulfilling experience. This commitment extends to offering a variety of support services and accommodations, from American Sign Language interpretation to sensory guides, catering to the diverse needs of their guests. The updates to Disneyland and Walt Disney World's Disability Access Service are a welcome development for the community of disabled travelers. These changes reflect Disney's ongoing efforts to make the parks accessible to everyone, addressing the challenges of overtourism and ensuring that those who require additional support are not left behind. As Disney continues to refine its services, travelers with disabilities can look forward to more inclusive and enjoyable experiences at these beloved theme parks. Today in Travel is brought to you by The Adept Traveler, an award-winning travel agency that specializes in making travel easier for everyone. From the novice to the expert, from the able-bodied to the disabled traveler, it's our belief that everybody deserves to travel well. Until next time, travel well, my friends,